Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the two most delicious creamy salsas. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they'll be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by making our creamy salsa verde. So to our pan over medium heat, we're going to be heating up 2 tablespoons of oil. And when you wash your vegetables, you want to make sure that you dry them completely, okay? So like that, when you fry them, they don't pop. Once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our tomatillos. Make sure you cut them open, face them down. And along with the tomatillos, we're going to add our chile jalapeños or serranos. Cut them in half as well and just face them down. And of course, depending on how spicy you want your salsa, then it depends on how many you're going to add. And as for the onion, just break it down. We're just going to give that a couple minutes. After 2 minutes, flip everything to the other side. Now here we're going to add our 3 garlic cloves and just allow everything to fry for another 2 minutes. All right, and after 2 minutes, this is done. So now we're just going to turn it off and allow it to cool down for about 5 minutes. Alrighty, and after 5 minutes, transfer everything to your blender cup. Make sure you get the oil as well. Okay, into your blender cup, you're also going to add a handful of cilantro, salt, and black pepper, and a little bit of water. And now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Okay, and just like that, we have our delicious creamy salsa verde. Okay, and now we can transfer it to our bowl. And here you're going to taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. And just like that, we have our delicious creamy salsa verde. Alright guys, now to make our creamy salsa roja, we're going to heat up our pan over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. And because the tomatoes have more juice, I'm going to add them now. So just cut them in half, face them down. And we're just going to allow that to heat up. Okay, and once that heats up, now we're going to add our onion and just break it down. And now just allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, flip the onions and tomato over. Okay, and here we're going to add our 4 garlic cloves. And just allow that to fry for another 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, now here we're going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting. Add a little bit more oil. Add your 2 clean guajillo peppers and chile de árbol. Going to fry them for a couple seconds or just until you begin to smell them. Make sure not to burn them. Once that's done, transfer it to the blender cup as well. Now we're just going to allow our oil to cool down for about 5 minutes and then we can get ready to blend. Ready? And once our oil cools down, transfer it to the blender cup as well, along with salt, black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. And now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Ready? And once we have that, we can transfer it to our bowl. And here, taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. And just like that, we have our delicious, creamy salsa roja. Alrighty guys, and once we have our salsa, so we can now enjoy it with our favorite dishes. So I also ready, of course, I'm going to enjoy it with a taco. But just like that, we could get ready to enjoy. So cheers and enjoy. These salsas are seriously the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my 2 delicious creamy salsas taqueras. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you work with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.